Hey everybody, it's Ryan the Scavenger. How y'all doing today? It's getting chilly here in Nebraska. In today's video, we're gonna do a 3-day collage of some pickups that we did over a 3-day period. We picked up some refrigerators and had a little bit of copper wire and some TVs from a little bit of dumpster diving and a few more things. So enjoy this little video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, small little pickup here. Looks like some legs. For a table. And some other general stuff here. We'll get her loaded up. And a good old-fashioned refrigerator. We'll see if we can't get this guy loaded up. I got soaked. I should have seen that one coming. Well, Junkyard Goat, what do you think? Got his fridge here. Stuff back there. Now we got a little bit of stuff. We happy, Junkyard Goat? I think so. Woo-wee! 3-gauge wire. Look at this big stuff. Here we go. My favorite. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh-wee. That weighs about 2 pounds for sure. Good stuff. Do some more. Gotta love the Stripmeister. Ooh-wee. Big old pile. Stripmeister. Stripmeister. Yeah. Big old stuff. Got a couple of pieces of it. Another couple pounds. One more piece. Binding on the old camera. Or on the drill, I meant. All right, that's it. Chop it up and get another angle of it. Chopped it all up into pieces. Now let's put it away. Now let's go get a weight on it. Okay, well, there's my good weigh in, 259, but I'm guessing 40 pounds? No, it's 30.4 pounds. Pretty good. About $2.90 a pound, so about $90 almost. Well, today is an interesting day. It's Husker football game day. Huskers are beating Purdue real good. Got 2 calls. So I ran out at halftime to pick out 2 things. That's the fridge from the other day. And then this is another, not a mini fridge, but a half-size fridge I just picked out from another customer. So, yeah, $15 to pick that up. So, probably get a little bit of scrap metal out of it. Probably make $20 off the deal, hopefully. So another one loaded up in the car. And now an interesting one. We have a 4-wheeler here. So let's go over and have a look at this guy. First time I've ever picked up one of these. So little 4-wheeler. Let's pick her up and get her loaded up. Oh, she's a little plastic guy. All right, we'll get her loaded up now. This is definitely a first, a 4-wheeler. Looks like it's mostly made out of plastic, a little bit of steel in there. Hopefully a battery in there. And we'll see, this will be a fun one to do a tear down on it to see what's inside of it. All right, later. Well, what do you think, Junkyard Goat? Was that a pretty good pickup? I think so. All right, guys. On to the next one. We got a little bit more room left in the truck. Gonna see if somebody else calls me. Okay, scrappers, I got five 40-inch NEC HDMI TVs out of a scrapyard, or out of a little dumpster diving, I should say. And I'm gonna tear these guys all apart. They all got broken screens. I do have one where the screen's not broken, so I'm gonna try that one out in a minute. Maybe I'll be 2 for 2 for having one that's not broken, but let's scrap. There's a nice board right there. I think this one is going to be low grade, so I guess it's not really that nice, but has a piece of aluminum there. So 5 little pieces of aluminum. Get out your channel locks. Set them to about the right size. I don't think you could see it from that angle over there. So here's what's inside of it. On these particular TVs, they're NEC TVs. One board there, and one small board there. I don't mess with the speakers. I just chop the wire and take those out. Put the boards in the boards over there. And then use this for 10 thread again. Oh, there she is. Well, this last one, it was a different kind of TV. Man, you want to talk about cheap. It had 2 little boards in it. That's all it had in it. So, not even hardly any wire at all. So 2 little boards, and then the outer shell was all metal. I'd never seen that. It didn't have plastic shells like those guys over there. So the only thing that was plastic was right here. That piece. So, wow. Not much there. So to scrap those guys all out, probably took me a half an hour. Again, 5 metal pieces of tin shred, probably, I don't know, 20 pounds there, not much. I didn't do a very good job of showing you all, but I got about probably another that many boards because I put them away already. So a little bit of wire and a little bit of aluminum. So not much to scrap out of a modern TV today. These days, they're making them pretty cheap. Well, there used to be some pretty significant boards in there and they weighed a lot more, but they are really making them a lot cheaper. And that's why they're pretty much a throwaway TV these days. Well, it's better than putting them in the landfill, right, guys? All right, this is a NEC LCD TV. You don't see a lot of NECs, though. Found this guy dumpster diving. It doesn't have a single crack on the screen. You don't see that very often. The other ones did have lots of cracks in them, though. There was 4 other ones that you saw me scrap out. I don't know. What are you guessing? I'm putting the odds at 95% no work to 5% working. I did get lucky on that one you guys saw the other day. So I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to plug her in here and give her a shot, see if it doesn't blow the electricity out here. Okay, no sparks. So that's a good first sign. No way. Is this one going to work? Oh, it does have a blue line at the bottom. I'm guessing, well, hold on a minute. Are we going to get lucky here? I said 95% chance no working. All right. Let's try and power it on. No signal. No signal, 10-9. I think this one might work, maybe. I wonder if we got to plug it in. Oh, you see that? Kind of like goes off. This one's interesting. I'm guessing no so far, because that's not a good sign where it goes on and off. Well, Junkyard Goat, it's off to the junkyard. Cash in on another load. How many pounds do you think we got? I'm guessing, 350 maybe? What do you think, Junkyard Goat? You gotta let us know. Everybody else listening out there, let me know in the comments below. See if you can get a guess before you skip to the end. And don't skip to the end. We need the watch time, guys. We're coming up on 200 hours for the month of October. It's exactly how much I need to average, about 200 hours. 250 hours is what I need to average per month. So, off we go. I'll find Monday, by the way. Get older, and I'll get out here in Nebraska. Hey, cool. I'll get up 40. Let's get my goal, 80. Got 90% though, so shoot. All right. Let's go to the junkyard here. I'm gonna got about 1.2 miles to my junkyard here. So let's get my crap. Doesn't take very long. How do you feel over there? Of course. We need a little more an hour. Well, I think I'll skip ahead and see the video. Let's get it now. Enjoy. Finally got the new setup here. Junkyard. Anderson has their radiation detector after you get on the scale. Kind of different. Oh, I got one ahead of me, so it'd be perfect time to go and strap my straps. TV's away. Heavy duty magnet out, comes up here and picks this stuff up. How quickly you can unload, guys. Voila. Much easier when you have a magnet. Much easier. Well, let's go and get a weight and see what our weight is. And get paid. Probably ain't gonna be much. Prices are awful nowadays. Let's go. Got the signal to go. Now you just got to back out of here is the only pain in the butt part. Yes, guys, the prices of scrap continue to suck. 420 pounds at $100 a net ton for $21. Absolutely awful. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and watching the video. I appreciate you checking it all out. Yeah, the scrap prices really suck right now. There's not much we can do about it. Gas prices in the country are causing scrap yards to spend more money on their freight load, which then makes the prices go down, which then filters down to us. So yeah, I don't make much on scrapping nowadays, but for all of us that do it, a lot of us do it for love too. The copper that I got, again, prices are too terrible. I'm not going to cash that in at $2.75 a pound. That's ridiculous. I'll wait till it goes above $3 a pound again and then cash that in, and that'll be $100 day on that. So, all right, guys, again, thanks for watching. Before you leave, make sure you smash that subscribe button and watch some more videos, guys. We really need that watch time. You guys have a great weekend.